Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out for their best prices and to know which one is best suited to your needs. So, cheers with the best one!
Hi, welcome to the ARROV workshop. Today we're going to show you how to clear a jam from the ARROV T50 staple gun. First, you need to remove the pusher by pushing it in to unlock and sliding it out of the tool. Next, you will need to remove the screw and nut holding the channel in place. Loosen the screw with a screwdriver and pliers, then remove the screw from the tool. Pull down the entire channel for a complete clearing. And clear your channel of any jam staples. Now reinsert the channel by lining up the tabs into the 2 slots. Reinsert the screw and nut, then tighten. Insert your full strip of T50 staples. Reinsert the pusher until it locks in place. Now you're ready to get back to work.